Here is how to change your Apple ID profile picture. So for that, you need to go ahead and open your settings on your iPhone or iPad, wherever your Apple ID is logged in. Then after, select your name from the top. Now select your profile picture icon from the top of the screen, which is displayed. Once you do that, a menu will appear. And here you'll get the option to customize or choose a photo, or you can also choose any icon from Memoji, monogram, or emoji as well. If you want to go ahead and delete the current profile picture, tap on this minus icon right here. Or you can also go ahead and click on customize and then select the different versions of the profile picture that you have uploaded, such as with different filters, which are displayed right here. And you can choose one and then set it. You can also choose to crop it. If not, you can go ahead and click on cancel, scroll down, and if you want to choose a photo from your gallery, go ahead and select choose a photo. You'll get two different options of camera and photo library. If you want to go ahead and take an instant picture and set it as your Apple account profile picture, you can also do that. Otherwise, you can open your photo library, then go ahead and select the specific photo that you want to upload. Or you can also go to Memoji section and other different sections right here and select any one that you prefer. Besides avatar, you also have the option to go for the poster, and you can choose from the options available below, or you can choose a photo from your gallery as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.